Cardano value equivalent to 6.3713 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.140446.4553. The earlier day close, 6.3841. The change was 0.0128, 0.20%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 6.56 rands, high 7.02, low 6.10. Cardano estimate on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 6.33 rands, high 6.77, low 5.89. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 6.92 rands, high 7.40, low 6.44. Cardano estimate on Friday. Walk 24 cost 6.89 rands, high 7.37, low 6.41. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27 cost 6.46 rands, high 6.91, low 6.01. Cardano figure on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 6.38 rands, high 6.83, low 5.93. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 6.61 rands, high 7.07, low 6.15. Cardano figure on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 7.19 rands, high 7.69, low 6.69. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. Walk 31 cost 7.05 rands, high 7.54, low 6.56. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Monday. April 3 cost 7.36 rands, high 7.88, low 6.84. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. April 4 cost 7.08 rands, high 7.58, low 6.58. Cardano figure on Wednesday. April 5 cost 6.79 rands, high 7.27, low 6.31. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. April 6 cost 6.72 rands, high 7.19, low 6.25. Cardano figure on Friday. April 7 cost 6.56 rands, high 7.02, low 6.10. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April 10 cost 6.59 rands, high 7.05, low 6.13. Cardano gauge on Tuesday. April 11 cost 6.53 rands, high 6.99, low 6.07. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday. April 12 cost 6.43 rands, high 6.88, low 5.98. Cardano gauge on Thursday. April 13 cost 6.25 rands, high 6.69, low 5.81. Cardano cost forecast on Friday. April 14 cost 6.45 rands, high 6.90, low 6.00. In about a month Cardano gauge on Monday. April 17 cost 6.21 rands, high 6.64, low 5.78. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. April 18 cost 6.14 rands, high 6.57, low 5.71. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. April 19 cost 6.31 rands, high 6.75, low 5.87. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 6.42 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.69, while low cost 5.50. The found the middle value of cost 6.67. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.05. Change for spring 9.8%. Cardano conjecture for April 2023. Before all else cost at 7.05 rands. Excessive cost 8.34, while low cost 5.55. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.18. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.79. Change for April 10.5%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.93, while low cost 6.89. The found the middle value of cost 7.51. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.41, change for May 4.9%. Cardano estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.20, while low cost 7.41. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.16. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.60, change for June 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 8.60 rands. Excessive cost 8.60, while low cost 6.71. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.78. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.22, change for July 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 7.22 rands, excessive cost 7.22, while low cost 5.64. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.54. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.06, change for August 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 6.06 rands, excessive cost 6.11, while low cost 5.31. The found the middle value of cost 5.80. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.71, change for September 5.8%. Cardano gauge for October 2023. In the first place cost at 5.71 rands, exorbitant cost 6.32, while low cost 5.50. The found the middle value of cost 5.86. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.91, change for October 3.5%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at 5.91 rands, exorbitant cost 5.91, while low cost 4.89. The found the middle value of cost 5.49. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.26, change for November 11.0%. Cardano gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 5.26 rands, exorbitant cost 6.45, while low cost 5.26. The found the middle value of cost 5.75. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.03, change for December 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 6.03 rands, excessive cost 6.03, while low cost 4.72. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.46. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.07, change for January 15.9%. Cardano figure for February 2024. Before all else cost at 5.07 rands, excessive cost 5.07, while low cost 3.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.59. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.26, change for February 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 4.26 rands, excessive cost 4.26, while low cost 3.33. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.86. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.58. Change for spring 16.0% ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.1570 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1549-0.1629. The earlier days nearby 0.1566. Change for now plus 0.0004 plus 0.26%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month.